What if I told you that $1,000 could be your stepping stone to $10,000? While it may sound like a lofty goal, it's entirely achievable with the right strategies and mindset. Smart investing isn't about luck, it's about discipline, research, and taking calculated risks. So, whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your investment approach, here are some practical steps to help you multiply your money. First, let's address the importance of having a clear goal. Are you saving for a big purchase, building an emergency fund, or aiming for long-term wealth? Knowing your why will shape your investment strategy and help you stay focused. Start by setting a specific goal, like growing your $1,000 in 3 to 5 years. This clarity will guide your choices and keep you from making impulsive decisions. Now, let's talk about one of the most accessible and effective investment options, the stock market. If you're new to investing, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are a great starting point. ETFs allow you to invest in a diverse range of companies with a single purchase. For example, an S&P 500 ETF tracks the performance of the top 500 companies in the US. It's a low-cost, low-risk way to participate in the market's growth. With $1,000, you can buy into an ETF and watch your investment grow steadily over time. For those willing to take on more risk, consider researching individual stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, innovative products, and a competitive edge in their industry. For instance, investing in a tech company during its early stages can yield significant returns if the company succeeds. However, it's essential to diversify, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your $1,000 across a few well-researched stocks to reduce risk. Another option is real estate investing, which might sound out of reach with $1,000, but platforms like Fundrise and REITs, real estate investment trusts, have made it accessible. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects without needing tens of thousands of dollars. You can earn returns from rental income or property appreciation, making real estate a stable addition to your portfolio. Cryptocurrency is another avenue that has gained significant attention. While it's highly volatile, it also offers substantial growth potential. If you're considering crypto, start with a small portion of your $1,000 and focus on well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Avoid investing based on hype. Instead, research the technology and use cases behind the cryptocurrency. And remember, always use a secure wallet to protect your assets. But investing doesn't have to be limited to traditional options. Starting a side hustle can be one of the smartest ways to grow your money. Use your $1,000 to launch a small online business, create a product, or offer a service. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Fiverr provide opportunities to turn your skills or passions into a steady income stream. Reinvest your earnings to scale your business and accelerate growth. Peer-to-peer lending is another creative way to grow your money. Platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend your money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. It's like being a mini bank. While there's some risk involved, choosing low-risk borrowers and diversifying your loans can lead to steady returns. Another important strategy is dollar-cost averaging. Instead of investing your $1,000 all at once, divide it into smaller amounts and invest regularly over time. This approach reduces the impact of market volatility, as you'll buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. It's a disciplined method that can lead to significant growth in the long run. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of self-investment. Use part of your $1,000 to enhance your financial knowledge. Buy books on investing, take online courses, or attend seminars. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Knowledge truly is the most valuable asset you can acquire. Turning $1,000 into $10,000 won't happen overnight, but with patience, strategy, and consistent effort, it's entirely possible. Start by setting clear goals, explore various investment options, and stay disciplined in your approach. Remember, the journey to financial growth is not just about the destination, it's about building habits and knowledge that will serve you for a lifetime. So take that first step today and watch your money grow. What if I told you that $1,000 could be your stepping stone to $10,000? What if I told you that $1,000 could be your stepping stone to $10,000? While it may sound, what if I told you that $1,000 could be your stepping stone to $10,000?